Bayes theorem is also known as inverse probability. I would love to present you a case. Listen to me. Hope we can have understanding where how we can apply this Bayes theorem. Say, I'll be presenting you a case of LED bulb incentives given by central government. Okay, all of you requested to listen to me. Those who recall, since last 1-2 years, central government they wanted to save energy and they want to encourage, inspire, particularly the BPL category, MIC category, and rural families, those who had been using the traditional bulb. Those who recall the old fashioned traditional bulb, 100 watt, 150, 200 also, if you go for street lighting, the same lighting you are now able to get within 5 watt, 8 watt, 10 watt. Can you imagine, like say, when you are replacing all such old bulb by this LED, you are saving unnecessary colossal loss of energy by 90%. Okay, so this is what the drive, which is a fantastic effort by our central government. And if you recall, for some time, the LED bulbs were given free to BPL families, and even for MIC and other families also, they were supplied at a subsidized rate. Okay, so say for example, Dabasri Nandi is one such entrepreneur manufacturing LED bulb, and government wanted to supply in large scale. So government wanted to hire, request, outsource many LED manufacturing units like that of Dabasri's. Okay. Say for example, when she got the order, a huge quantity, she was perhaps having one machine, and she wanted to scale up, and she again went for other machines, machine 2, machine 3. As you can guess, so the loop, the make, the type, the capacity should be different. Abhinav Das, reading poems, what is the meaning of capacity?
So the ability of the machine to produce bulbs.
How much quantity you are getting out of one machine. Say, for example, first machine produces 45% of the total output that your unit industry is having. Okay, and second machine may be having say 30%, and third machine may be having 25%. As you can guess, these machines, though do wonderful jobs, can also give us accidentally some defective bulb. And from your past experience, you have noticed that 0.5% of the bulbs manufactured by machine 1 found to be defective, 1% are defective from machine 2, 2% defective from machine 3. Okay. Now, what happens after bulbs are manufactured? You are mixing everything together. You pack it and send it to the market. Okay. When it's a large scale, maybe you do not notice whether one bulb is defective or not, and the lot is sent to the market. Okay. Now, at a later stage, in marketplace, from a packet, a bulb is found to be defective, right? And you wanted to ascertain from which machine it might have come. Okay, and we are trying to find the chance of this being done by a particular machine. So what should we do? Similar or be different? If different, how? Any volunteer? Bhavna, on mute, you are murmuring something? Or Bhavna mein hi hai jo?
Yes, sir, our approach will be different here. That we used to
How?
apply in
How?
other stuff.
How?
I think if I'm not wrong, then we can apply certain tag marks on those balls that are manufactured from different machines, so that we can know that
Okay, okay.
from
Jyoti
which
has
machine.
appeared from the horizon. I think he looks very attractive today. Jyoti, input from you. Jyoti
So
is
actually, the thing is that manager or someone has picked up bulb, which is combination of all these three machines manufacturing products. So it is not necessary to need that what exactly from which machine the defective piece has been come from. So
Okay,
it is a
okay.
condition for it.
Okay. Taking clue from what Bhavna and Jyoti told, I think perhaps you are indirectly wanting to tell Elia, suppose something is happening and you want to find the chance of that happening. Now here, please mark what I'm just like wanted from you. The outcome is known. You have found the ball is defective and you are going back to a previous stage and tracing back who might have done the mistake. Okay, it's not what is happening now. You are trying to find the probability of a previous step. So when you are going back, pressing back, so this is something like inverse approach, and you are finding some inverse probability. Okay, and this type of situation is better handled by a formula given by Bayes. It's called the Bayes theorem. And to apply that formula, the condition is that this first row is called first stage probability, and second line is called second stage probability. Please mark, first stage probability must add up to 1. This is a precondition to apply Bayes theorem. Okay. Now, this formula, what Jyoti was correctly suggesting, is a total possibility of कहाँ से कैसे हो सकता है. It could be from machine 1, it could be from machine 2, and it could be machine 3 multiplied by respective defective chances. Okay. Now, the formula what he has given is like this. Now, let us try to understand how it might have come. So, what he has suggested in QT terminology, in probability terminology, all of you please write correctly the term. First stage probability is called a priori probability. Okay, mark the spelling correctly. And second stage probability is called posteriori probability. Pre and post. First stage probability and second stage probability. Just now we told the first stage probability must add up to 1. So what Jyoti was trying to help us out, please see, the defective ball might have come from machine 1 or from machine 2 or from machine 3. Or means what, Ashwini?
Addition.
Addition. Another, thank you so much. So please see, first machine ka combination. What is the chance that it is from machine 1 and multiplied by respective defective chance, plus what is the chance that it is from machine 2 multiplied by chance of getting a defective ball from machine 2, and similarly machine 3 multiplied by defective probability. So this is the total probability. So if you recall the formula, basic formula of classical approach, the total possibility will be the divisor or denominator. Okay, and if you want to find what is the chance that it is from machine 1, so you take only the situation of machine 1, only one term. Okay, so machine 1 probability divided by all other possibility, right? Is that clear? This is how it has come. Thus, give a try. Suppose in exam you are asked not machine 1, what would be the chance of getting defective ball from machine 2? What would be similar formula? Look to the formula. Can you suggest us what could be the formula for getting it from machine 2?
Sir, probability of a
P of
machine.
M2 by P D by M2 divided by same thing, sir. P of M.
Okay, okay, good. Kamlesh, what would be the chance for machine 3?
So P M3 multiplied by P of defect from M3 divided by जो denominator है वो same रहेगा.
And the divisor will be the same.
हाँ.
Vijay Shankar, is it okay? So be careful
Yes, sir.
in exam what is asked, whether it's from machine 1, machine 2 or machine 3, accordingly the numerator will change. And all of you should please make a practice of reading correctly the second factor in the numerator. Imoja, second factor, how you should read? Conditional probability of getting a defective ball, given that it is from machine 1. The expression may look complicated, but the probability is simple. Okay, we had also done earlier, right? Now, having explained the formula given by Bayes, now let's try to solve one question which we had shown earlier. Oh, this is with you. I'll be trying to solve first question, and second question a volunteer can solve using whiteboard. Okay, can I stop sharing? Hope you have taken this screenshot. One of you should tell me the number value of question number 1. If we get a question like this, how we should solve it? Okay, Chinu, please help me.
Yes, sir.
What are the numbers? Machine 1, machine 2, machine 3, and first stage probability of how much?
30%, sir. Machine 1.
0.3, then
0.45.
0.45, then
25, sir.
0.25. And you can check the total of first row should be adding up to 1. And
Yes,
what
sir.
about the second stage probabilities?
So 0.02,
0.02, 2%,
0.03,
0.03, 3%,
0.02.
0.02. So if you get a question like this, I would advise you multiply column wise. One of you, those who are having calculator, can you help me? What would be the multiplication here? It is,
Sir, 0.06.
no, you are wrong.
0.06.
Question you will get -2 mark. Now multiply the second column. You know,
So 0.01.
0135.
0.135. Then
Sir, 0.005. 0.005, sir.
will be 0.005.
Yes, sir.
0.005. Yes, sir.
Another, what is the sum total of this last row?
So
0.0245.
0.
0245.
Is it correct?
0.0245. Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the question? What is the last line of that question? What we want to find? Is it from machine 1 or machine 2?
Machine 2,
So
sir.
by machine 2.
Machine 2. So the final answer will be what?
Sir, PM2.
Will it be like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can anybody find the value?
0.55.
Okay. Avinash, is okay? Fine.
Yes, yes.
Any doubt? Any question? So easy. Inverse probability, not difficult question. Can anyone volunteer?
क्यों होगा इधर? उस ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में परसेंटेज किया है ना?
104.
Chalo, again next.
0.04, 0.02.
So we'll be multiplying column wise. Somebody should multiply, help.
0.0125. 0125.
0.0125.
हाँ
014 next problem.
हाँ
0.014. 0.008.
008.
Okay, one of you please add the last two total.
0.0345.
0345.
0.0345.
Okay, what is the question? Are you finding the first or second or third?
Machine B, sir.
So 0.014 by
divided by 0.0345.
yes.
0.405.
4057. Hawaii
Okay,
4.
thank you so much. Stop sharing. Thank you, Chino.
So
Hope this is clear. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just share it with Lata. We can discuss something where all of you hope would enjoy. As you can guess, we are going to cover a very easy, small chapter called sampling method or sampling methodology or sampling concepts, right? This is of use not only for QT, this will be of use for you in another paper called BRM in next semester you are covering, and also for other papers where you will be covering some research projects. Okay. Now, hope you understand what we are going to discuss. Let me again try to present a case. I would be really very happy, and all of us together, you and me, will make it meaningful, and it should look like a postgraduate class. Suppose we wanted to do a piece of research. Okay. Now, say for example, those who are reading newspaper and in touch with the latest development, very recently UK didn't agree with that Covishield vaccination what India doing here. So India, we felt bad, and we just told we can reciprocate. We will not accept your citizens also. Okay. So then they suggested, okay, Covishield is accepted, but again you have to be in quarantine. So it is a half done, not fully accepted. So even if we are vaccinated, still they doubt. Okay. So why I'm just telling, please think seriously. When something is told to the world as a part of your research, how you have conducted the research, it is questioned, it is challenged. So we all must do it carefully, and we should be doing it scientifically. Why I'm putting it scientifically? Though we are in management, though we are in social science, the word is also science, management science, social science. So every piece of research can be done scientifically, following a true procedure. Now, my question to you, all of you listen to me. Suppose we have a curious mind and wanted to know which is actually better, Covaxin or Covishield. Any suggestion? How do we do that? Anupriya, Lavanya, Pratyasha, in that order. Any volunteer?
Sir, we can do a survey like.
Okay, good. Pratyasha started very well. Hers.
Yes, sir. After doing survey, we can actually
Survey means
test.
what? Survey means heat
Sampling.
campus दिखा है hers. Heat
नहीं
campus.
सर, large population का नहीं करेंगे. We have to actually.
नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना, heat campus देखा है ना?
हाँ सर, देखा है मैंने.
कब आया था?
बहुत पहले आया था सर. बहुत पहले.
हमें मिला नहीं. heat campus के पास एक है नंदनकानन. सुना है कभी नंदनकानन?
सर मैं उड़ीसा में ही रहा हूँ सर. 4 years
तो वहाँ जाके सर्वे करेंगे?
नहीं सर.
तो फिर we have to.
We have to identify our stakeholders. कौन से stakeholders को करना है?
Okay, good. So Harsh has added one good point. Previous speaker used a good point. Survey means sample survey, and Harsh also corroborated. It will be a small sample, and Harsh used a term like stakeholder. I think 3 or 4 of you wanted to say. Punyasa, I guess Mahima. Mahima, can you start? Would you like to supplement? Then any other volunteer? Be quick, save time.
Sir, as the motto of the vaccine is to get like to make more antibodies, so we can take.
When he told stakeholder, are we using a jargon called target population? Can you take any person or which person? So that we have to clarify what is my population. So you are belonging to a PG class. Please use some terms which befits discussion in sampling methodology class. So you should understand what I expect from you. So when has told stakeholder, the better word is target population, and target population has the word as population. Can anybody define for this type of example, what is the population? Mahima, then Punyasa, and Pratyasha. Or you can say Pars. Pars.
Sir, we have to identify in terms of mortality rate. कितने लोग मर रहे हैं उसके basis.
Wrong. You get -7 mark. CR हर्ष का बाकी खाता में डाल दे -7. What is target population in this example? Pallavi.
जो लोग मतलब वैक्सीनेट हुए वैसा.
Kamlesh bol.
सर द ऑडियंस होगा जो मतलब जो लोग वैक्सीनेट हो चुके हैं उन लोग से हम लोग.
ठीक है, करेक्ट, बिल्कुल close to the correct answer. Punya sorry, Pallavi, you wanted to have anything else? Quick input.
Yes, sir. I was going to say that those who are
Okay.
vaccinated.
So you should take. We are comparing Covaxin and Covishield. Okay, आपको Covishield. Those who have taken Covishield, you have to identify. Those who have taken Covaxin, you have to identify. Okay, you have to have two sets of people. When you are a comparison between two groups, you have to have two samples. Okay, separate. Persons those who have taken Covaxin, persons those who have taken Covishield. That is my population. Say for example, as on today, around 62 crore people have taken vaccines. Okay. Say for example, this could be say 40-20 kind of thing. 40,000 Covishield and 40 crore Covishield, 20 crore Covaxin. Okay. So now you take a small sample. I agree. Then what should you do? Rikita is very clear. It's a out of syllabus question. खामोखा क्यों टाइम वेस्ट करूं?
सर उनका efficacy देखेंगे.
Very good. So just to save time, say for example, you expose them to some bad situation, inclement situation where they may get also affected, right? Even after double dose, we know that instances people are also getting COVID virus affected. Okay. So now how much they withstand when they vaccinate. Okay. Suppose you experiment with 500 Covaxin vaccinated person, 500 vaccinated Covishield. Okay. And you allow them to mingle, roam around, and you just note what is the percentage of people in what age group. We also have to have the demographic profile, everything data. Then you take the data, the proportion. Suppose if you find the Covaxin has got a better resistance than Covishield, then you inform that. Okay. Now my question is, why somebody started? I think Pratyasha started. Why we should go for sample survey? Why? Who started the nice debate?
Sir, so that we can get to know that how many people are getting affected even after taking the vaccine.
Are you getting why I'm questioning why? Are you getting why I'm asking question why? Any volunteer?
Sir, because it is difficult to survey large population. It will take money.
Pratyasha, are you getting what Harsh is trying to suggest us?
Yes, sir, to
So
know
we will save time.
Why
money.
you should go for sample survey? This could be one short question in exam.
Save time
a
and
high
money.
population, we cannot determine the exact
So
value.
fast region is maybe you have got limited resource. Resource could be fund, manpower, and save time. Pragyanani has suggested in chat box. Thank you. Chat box is good without disturbing others also given. So you have got limited resource. Time is also one resource. Okay. Now, can you think there could be any other region? So together, money, manpower, time. I am putting all as resource, limited resource. It's a main region, first region. Can anybody think of any other region why people go for sample survey?
Sir, decreasing error. Error kam mile.
No. That is not the reason. That is not the reason. Any other suggestion? Okay. Hope Rikita won't mind. Am I allowed to crack a joke on you, Rikita madam?
Yes, sir.
बहुत खतरनाक जोक है. ठीक है. Say for example, our friend Rikita is very 107 very much health conscious, and her parents are also equally or more conscious about the health, and entire family, not only Rikita, and they have a routine health checkup every month. Routine health checkup, you understand, Pratyasa? So you go to doctor, you get a thorough checkup, and health checkup should start with a blood test. Okay, all of you agree? So Rikita goes to the doctor, and doctor takes only a small drop of blood. And Rikita wonders, only a small drop? How can you tell me correctly only one drop? I've got like say 20 liters of blood in me, and you take only one drop. You check all blood. Be careful. I'm very conscious. Okay, so you check everything. So what I'm asking is, why sample survey? I was actually asking you what is the opposite of sample survey. और कोई रास्ता है और कोई अल्टरनेटिव है? अगर आपके पास रिसोर्सेस है तो आप कंप्लीट एनुमरेशन कर सकते हो. What we call it as census method. Okay. Now in this example, in light of Rikita, you are taking a drop. That is called sample testing. You agree with that? Now, in this case, suppose somebody, okay, very serious person like Ashwini, demands doctor, 100 times doctor, take all my blood, and you have to be absolutely correct in telling me authentic report. And we gave all our blood, and we're not there to read the report. Okay. So what I'm presenting here is, the second reason is, when testing is destruction, you cannot go for census method. Repeat. Second point, when testing is destruction, you cannot go for census method. You must have to resort to only sampling method. Hope those who are doing missile testing, they might have heard of a place called Chandipur on east coast of Odisha. We test missiles, okay, say Agni, Prithvi, okay. Himoja, those missiles are very cheap, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, you can get Himoja. Agni missile, how much it should cost you? If you want to have, दो चार रख लो, कितना कॉस्ट आएगा?
तब तो DRDO का वो लेना पड़ेगा हम लोग को.
हाँ, कितना होगा? खर्चा तो होगा ना, अंदाजा लगा सकते हो. In hundreds of crores, one missile, if it's a nuclear missile, it's a very costly. Why I'm asking it? So when you are testing, you can precisely know what is the, somebody is telling say more than 400 crore. Thank you. So if you go on testing all missiles and nothing is left for the real battle, so when you are testing, you are destroying that particular missile. Do you agree with me? So in that case, can you go for census method? No. I can give more examples. Say, for example, companies tell you the bike mileage. How do they know? They really test, run each and every bike? No. So they test, sample 100 bikes, 200 bikes, average mileage they give us. Okay. So second reason is, when testing is destruction, you cannot go for census method. You can max go for sampling method. Okay. One more situation could be, Harsh, रुक जा, मैं शायद भूल जाऊंगा. Suppose you don't know where they are. Harsh ने बोला stakeholders. Okay. All of you are grown up, PG students. Don't mind some sensitive examples. Suppose, for example, somebody is studying on LGBT. Hope you know what is the meaning of LGBT. Where they are? Do you know the population? Okay, you don't know. It could be very much scattered, or say live-in couples. What they are? Somebody is doing a research on that. So there, you do not know how many couples are there. You might have heard they are there kind of thing, and you, with much difficulty, can get 20, 30 such examples, instances, and you make a survey. So third reason is when population is not known and very, very large, uncountable, like fishes in deep sea. You cannot make survey with all the fishes, okay? So can anybody sum up? Alisa, जो मैं last 2 minutes के लिए बोल रहा था, can you summarize what could be possible question from exam point of view and what could be the answer? Sai, take over first. You got 10 seconds to respond. 10 seconds में pass भी बोल सकते हो.
Pass.
हाँ, Harsh बोल. What could be possible question and what could be answer? अरे कोई तो बोलो.
Sir, a possible question will be what type of method we are using, like sampling method or what?
Where, when, Biswajit, we cannot go for census method. Okay, that could be question. I had given Biswajit 3 regions. What are the 3 regions? Anyone? We be?
Sir, if testing with destruction, then we can use the sampling
No,
method.
are you are forgetting here? Limited resources.
Sir, limited resources, time and money.
अरे नहीं, सारे limited resources हो गए. Region number 1 resources का मतलब time, money हो गया. Region number 2 वही बोलो ना, चिनो.
The high population.
Pass, sir.
When testing is destruction.
Yes, sir. Destruction तो एक point है, sir.
When testing is destruction is second point. And third point, Pratyasha?
So when population is not known.
Very good. Unknown population. You don't know where they are. How will be going there? Okay. So please be serious. That could be 1 mark question. Okay.
Sir, question sir.
हाँ बोलो बोलो अभी बोलो.
सर तो अभी इंडिया का अगर पॉपुलेशन हम लोग को डिटरमाइन करना है एंड इट इज आल्सो अ लार्ज पॉपुलेशन और तो फिर इस केस में फिर हम लोग सेंसस क्यों यूज करते हैं? व्हाई नॉट सैम्पलिंग?
हाँ कोई बोलेगा? Anybody who?
We need to, yeah, sir. We need to know the exact number of the population so that we can issue some plans or something.
अरे कभी कभार you should know about your own resources. आप राजा हो. Who are you? You are the Prime Minister, President of India. So हमें जानना चाहिए tidbit. हमारे पास क्या है? Religion data, education data, unemployment data, poverty data. तेरा सुख दुख सारे जो है ना आपके पास होना चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? लेकिन इतना कॉस्टली है. Are you doing it every year? We do it only once in 10 years. We call it decennial population survey, and it's so vast, so rigorous, so costly. You know, like who does that? Thank you for asking a very good question. Only primary school teachers are asked to go door to door and they really visit all houses. They collect data. And for a month or 2, they don't do teaching. They really spoil their education academic time. So it's very costly and laborious also. Okay. Thank you for asking me question. So this is what very, very costly, but you should not do it every year. But you have to have such a data. As Harsh has asked, whatever we have told, I guess it will convince you running through this slide very quickly. Now, this is my plan, not today, for the next 3 sessions after your QT project presentation. Today we'll be covering sampling. Next, we'll be briefly covering estimation. Then the most important is hypothesis testing. As I have already clarified today, sampling and estimation are theoretical and we'll be covering in 30 minutes each. Then more focus will be given on hypothesis testing. From hypothesis testing, we'll be getting minimum 2 questions, numerical sum will be getting. And we'll be devoting minimum 3 periods on hypothesis testing. Now coming to sampling concept, we have already discussed a lot on this. So I'll be running through very fast and hope the last line, all of you quickly can note it down. whatever I'm asking you to take note, you should understand why I'm asking. Those are probable important points you should prepare from exam point of view. I think we have compared between sample survey method and census method, and we have suggested when, where, why sample survey method will be adopted. Okay. In many research, 99% researchers apply sample survey research method, right? Now, moving forward, indirectly, we have covered some terms like population. I am happy that some of you are already very clear about this. If a question comes, half a mark question, like, can you give one example of infinite population? First, quick, you got 15 seconds. Infinite population, example of infinite population.
India's population, sir. 1 point.
Sorry?
India's
China.
population,
China's
sir.
You get 0
Population
mark.
of
You
fish.
get 0 mark.
China's
Stars in the sky. You can give an example. Population of India is not infinite, it's finite. Sample definition is it's a finite portion of the population. Population can be finite or infinite, but please remember sample should be always finite. Okay.
Sir, blood
Yeah.
cell population in human body.
Yes, sir.
You can give that. You can give Rashim. Thank you. Now, I would request you don't get confused. Sample, sampling, they're different words. Sample is noun, just a finite portion. Now, sampling means how you draw the sample from the population, the method. So, sampling means sampling method. We'll be discussing that after 2 slides. Now, this term is often confused even by the research scholar. You can ask any PhD scholars, many of them may not be very clear what is the meaning of sampling frame. Now, sampling frame is just the least, repeat, at the least from where you will be drawing the sample. Okay. Say, for example, simple example, mark it carefully. Suppose I want to select randomly 2 students from your section or your batch. How do I select randomly?
The top score.
Mahima?
So pick up from the attendance
Maybe attendance register is the list.
Or they
You
can
could say 340 students. I'll be making 340 cheats. I'll shuffle it and lottery method I can select 2. Okay. So first I'm referring the attendance sheet where list of students available. Okay. That attendance sheet is your best example of sampling frame. Frame means the list from where you are getting the data. Okay. Then you select the sample, and once you are selecting sample, then you go for the sample testing. Okay. So collect data, and this last line we'll be discussing in separate class separately. Okay. Now moving forward, types of sampling method. Okay. This is also very easy. Many of you must be knowing. Broadly, we can classify sampling methods into 2 broad categories. One is probability sampling, another is non-probability sampling, where you insist there should not be any human interference. There should not be any human bias. You cannot say who should be selected. It should be your chance factor. You cannot decide, okay? That is part of probability sampling. If you feel, no, God cannot decide, it is not chance, it's my choice, my preference, then those kind of selection will be called non-probability sampling. Ankita Jana, I know that you are not listening to me, you have got better work. Quote my last sentence. You answer, you get 1 mark, you do not answer, -2 marks from you. Can you show me your mobile? Yeah. Unmute.
I was writing.
Put my last sentence here. Sorry if I have misunderstood you. Quote my last sentence. I had differentiated between probability and non-probability sampling. Can you differentiate? Subhranshu, then here. Subhranshu Das, 67, then here, get ready. How do we differentiate between probability sampling and non-probability sampling? I had given 2 words. Yeah, take a vote. Yeah, unmute कर रहे.
Sir, where
No,
every
no.
population, where every member of the population has a chance of being selected in probability sampling.
Rikita Sethi.
Yes, sir.
Answer बोलना. Yes sir is a bad answer. मैंने 2 words बोला था. Chance versus choice. Probability sampling best identified by chance factor.
Chance.
Okay. Non-probability sampling, Ankita Jana madam, choice factor. Anupriya, hope you won't mind if I crack a joke. No, sorry, you may mind. I can take liberty with us. Suppose house के लिए we want to find good match. Okay. Subhranshu, you understand what is the meaning of? Are you envious कि हम पहले हर्ष के लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं? You understand what is the meaning of finding a suitable match? अरे कुछ तो बोल. Suppose हर्ष ने गांधी टाइप का आदमी है, वो बोलेगा अरे सब तो एक जैसी है, क्यों खामोखा तकलीफ देंगे, कोई भी चलेगा, kind of thing. So what he is suggesting, कुछ भी ले आओ 20, 30, 40 and make him blindfolded. It could be he matches, it could be she matches, whatever. And blindfolded, he touches somebody, he or she, okay, काम चलेगा. So ऐसा होता है कभी मजा? So when you are selecting a match, will it be choice or chance?
Chance.
कौन बोल रहा है chance? तू भी ना गांधी गोपबंधु जैसा विश्वजीत.
Sir, choice.
I'll ask your parents to go for lottery method. विश्वजीत ने बोला ना chance factor.
सर चॉइस कैसे होगा अगर हम किसी को चॉइस नहीं किया, मतलब हर्ष किसी को चॉइस नहीं किया, वो रैंडमली.
सर ही एंड शी दोनों को इंक्लूड किए हैं.
रियल लाइफ में क्या बोला? Suppose Himoja is going to buy a dress for her. Entering a shop, will she pick up randomly or she has preference, taste and color, design, print, and she's choosy? So that selection is probability sampling selection or non-probability sampling selection. Mahima.
Non-probability. So non-probability sampling.
Okay.
It will be of choice.
This example, all of you clarified. It can again come as a 1 mark question. Simple difference between probability and non-probability. मैंने मजाक में विश्वजीत बोला था, हर्ष ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, मैच सिलेक्शन ऐसे नहीं होता है. वो हर्ष शादी नहीं करेगा पता नहीं, ये थोड़ी होता है. वो बहुत चूजी रहेगा, ठीक है. So this is the basic difference between the two, probability and non-probability sampling. Hope you have understood. Moving forward, very briefly we will discuss. ये ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे. साई बोल.
सर
तेरे लिए मैचेस चाहिए क्या? साई का कंप्लेन है कि सर मुझे क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे हैं, बोल.
नहीं सर मैं पूछ रहा था कि जो स्वयंवर होता था सर पहले, वो भी इसी में आता है क्या?
सॉरी could not get you.
सर जो स्वयंवर होता था कि मतलब तो वो इसी में आता है क्या? चांस और चॉइस कौन सा?
वाह, बेटा को बहुत इंटरेस्ट आ गया. स्वयंवर, तेरे लिए स्वयंवर रचाएंगे बिल्कुल. कमलेश, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ साई?
सर वो स्वयंवर के बारे में पूछ रहा है.
हाँ, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी सिलेक्शन है या नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सैंपल सिलेक्शन है?
सर
अरे यही क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगा पक्का.
सर साई बोल रहे हैं कि उसको
अन्नदा बोल.
सर साई बोल रहे हैं कि वो 10 लड़कियां देगा और वो 10 लड़कियों में से फिर वो तुम चांस फैक्टर कर लो सर. लेकिन 10 लड़कियां
नहीं अरे नहीं रे अन्नदा, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये जो स्वयंवर, मान लो कि यही क्वेश्चन पक्का आएगा आंसर में, ठीक है. ये प्रोबेबिलिटी सिलेक्शन है नॉन प्रोबेबिलिटी सिलेक्शन?
Probability selection.
Non-probability sir. वो स्वयंवर में जो
बोला रहे हैं
चॉइस होता है ना.
चांस फैक्टर. They are very choosy ना.
स्वयंवर उसी नेम में है.
चॉइस है ना. How it is chance? Sai, are we answering your question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is not chance here. It is choice. Okay.
चॉइस कैसे हो जाएगा सर? कोई कंपटीशन रहता है ना सर?
कंपटीशन जो जीतता है वो उसके साथ होता है ना शादी में।
तो वो तो सर चांस तो होगा ना, वो चॉइस तो होगा नहीं सर।
अरे तो हमेशा वही अर्जुन वाला एग्जाम्पल क्यों ले रहा है? अरे स्वयं
अरे लेकिन चॉइस में वो लड़कियां जो आएंगी वो उसको तो कोई तो सिलेक्ट करेगा ना उनको।
अश्विनी अभी ये जो है ना, अभी रोल रिवर्सल हो गया है। अन्नदा और बाकी लोगों के लिए उल्टा स्वयंवर होगा। Okay, she will select one of 10-20 best persons. Okay, so bilkul preference. Okay, no chance. It is choice. Swayamvar means choice. Okay, thank you for asking. Good question, interesting. So non-probability will start it if you are adopting sample selection because of purely convenience. Suppose QT प्रोजेक्ट में हर्ष या और कोई एक सर्वे रिसर्च कर रहा है, यू आर सेंडिंग क्वेश्चनर टू होम? टू योर नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट्स। इज इट प्योरली रैंडम? नो। अगर रैंडम होता तो अननोन लोगों की भी हम भेजना पड़ेगा। ठीक है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ कन्वीनियंस फ्रॉम योर डाटाबेस टू योर कॉन्टैक्ट यू आर सेंडिंग। दिस इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ कन्वीनियंस सैंपलिंग। इट्स नॉट प्रोवाइड सैंपलिंग। Okay, please note it down. Now moving forward, like say for example, जैसे स्वयंवर बोला और a selection of a candidate, there is a purpose, and you judge who is best. Okay, so that kind of selection, साई का example जो है ये second category में आ रहा है. So this is judgment or purposive sampling, right? So this is साई part of probability sampling or non-probability sampling?
Not.
Please be clear and confident. Next, whenever you have got a requirement, necessity of reserving some category, which we call as quota sampling. This will not be taking much time. And last but not the least is very interesting, important. Any of you can throw some light what we mean by snowball sampling? Where we do not have much idea about the respondents or the persons, individuals you want to survey. You don't know where they are, who they are. So in a case where you have got less idea, if you happen to know one or two from known contact, you ask them, maybe they can inform you who are the other persons, potential person to whom you can interview or take sample data. Okay, say for example, in Odisha, how many Ferrari car owners should be there, Jyoti? Few thousands?
4 or 5.
No, 1,000 and hundreds.
अरे दो चार ही होंगे. Okay, so Ferrari, suppose you want to like find कि एक ने तो खरीद लिया, so how he or she is getting after sales service. Suppose you want to do a survey on that. Suppose we know that Jyoti is the richest person among us. He has got 2-3 those toys called Ferrari, and he pretty well knows और किसके पास होगा या हो सकता है. Only as a matter of pride, he knows that hers alone can have Ferrari. So if I know Jyoti, I request Jyoti, if you by chance know who else will be having. Jyoti tells yes, only hers is having. Who else can have? Another cannot have. Alisa cannot have. Rikita cannot have. Only hers is having. So he is telling story, and we go to hers. Okay. So this is something like a referral system. From one you go to other. Other gives another information. Okay. I can crack another joke to just drive home the meaning of snowball sampling. Say Himoja, I know that she won't mind if I crack a joke on her. Suppose Himoja ने कुछ गड़बड़ी की है. गड़बड़ी, you understand, Sai? कुछ किया है, ठीक है? And Sai has complained about the गड़बड़ी. So it is a police complaint, and getting the complaint from Sai, police has taken Himoja into custody. Chinu, police, they are very polite and they give very good treatment, fantastic, and they call it third degree treatment. You all know that what is the third degree treatment. 2-4 थप्पड़ लगा हिमोजा को, हिमोजा बोली नहीं मैं नहीं, पुण्यसा भी था. So then police goes to पुण्यसा, police को 2-4 थप्पड़ और लगा, पुण्यसा बोला मैं नहीं, अलीसा भी थी. Okay, so they finally identified ये जो 3 musketeers, 3 जो culprit जो है. So this is how they from one somebody is telling other. So this type of chain effect referral system is called snowballing. Earlier we were not having the idea, then from one you go to the other and you get the reference. Okay, this is just for a lighter pen. I am giving example, but you can give better example from field of commerce and management. Okay, so this is
स्नोबॉल सैम्पलिंग में एक रूट होना चाहिए सर, वो रूट से ही जाते हैं.
हाँ, आपको किसी तरह doing some minimum research, Google search कर लो या कुछ भी करो, you have to find out the initial source. या suppose जैसे मैंने example दिया live-in partners or LGBT, they want to protect themselves, they must be having some association. Okay, say for example, I can give some bad example, but don't cite it in exam. Say for example, as you know that there are very unfortunate drug addicts. Okay, very recently last week you must have heard of the news, Gujarat port, single event, I think something
more than 200 crore.
1,000 crore of heroin. Can you imagine just one catch, and that was being imported? Okay, Bhavan jane how much we already have received. Okay, suppose somebody is doing a research, so they don't tell ke hum yahan kind of thing. You have to somehow get into one, and they gave information about the others. Okay, some difficult areas that you don't have any other method. Okay, let's move forward.
सर कोविड का एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं क्या सर? सुनने से लग जाता है.
So moving forward, let's go to the set of probability sampling. जैसे मैंने बोला था, probability sampling is one where you have to have chance factor. Okay, and first, foremost and simplest is called simple random sampling, or in short called SRS. जैसे मैंने बोला था, I want to select 2 students out of MBA first year, and I can go for lottery method, and each member gets equal chance of getting selected. Repeat, each member has got a chance of getting selected. So that is called probability sampling. Okay, so this is first one is called simple random sampling. Okay, next is systematic sampling. Who can tell us what is systematic sampling?